The moment we've all been waiting for. He is the greatest, strongest, and most handsome super...
Wait, can you cut back to the... What's up, guys? Flash here. I'm like any other superhero, just a lot faster, smarter, stronger, and just cooler all around.
Do you have any hobbies or free time or?
No?
Faster! Faster! Come on, ladies! Stop!
Oh, excuse me. You're that superhero, the fast one.
The Flash.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, do you know Batman?
Yeah, I know Batman.
So cool, man. I'm a huge fan. Could you tell him I said hi?
Batman? Batman doesn't have superpowers. Look, watch this. You see that? I just went to China. I just went to France. Bonjour. I always run into the law. Every police officer knows who I am.
Do you know how fast you were going? License and registration. What? I was walking. I don't own a vehicle.
That's a ticket. Name, please.
The Flash.
The Flash? What is that?
I'm a superhero.
The Flash.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I have an ex.
Oh, how long were you together?
4 to 5 seconds.
Why did you guys break up?
She said something about I'm taking things too fast.
Excuse me. Do you mind telling me the time?
I know we just met, but will you marry me?
I just asked you for the time. Freak.
I don't know if you guys knew this, but I'm the funniest superhero. I'm not gonna lie, I do stand up on weekends.
How's it going, guys? Thank you for having me here. And don't worry, I'll make this quick. Get it?
When I go on stage, I have this bit where it's hard to explain, like you have to be there in person.
Don't you guys hate it when you have like 10 seconds to get to work? You woke up late, but you still get there on time?
That joke always kills.
Anyway, so I ran into Batman the other day. He was with Wonder Woman. Superman.
Flash.
You suck!